Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has deferred its decision on the custody of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was detained last week on charges of corruption. Initially placed in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate for 7 days, Kejriwal's term ends today, with the agency requesting an additional 7 days for further interrogation of the Aam Aadmi Party leader. In a defiant stance earlier today, Kejriwal addressed the court directly, accusing the probe agency of attempting to suppress his party. He emphasized that despite his arrest, no evidence has been presented to substantiate the alleged 100 crore in bribes. Kejriwal also highlighted that no court has found him guilty. Limited to a few minutes, Kejriwal pointed out that his name appeared only 4 times in the thousands of pages submitted by the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate. He clarified that one mention was of C. Arvind, not Arvind Kejriwal, who served as the secretary to former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Expectations were high for a significant revelation in court today, especially after Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal hinted at disclosing insights into the whereabouts of the alleged 100 crore. Kejriwal referenced statements from witnesses suggesting they were coerced into implicating him. Accusing the ED of orchestrating a trap, Kejriwal also mentioned a witness, Sarath Reddy, purportedly linked to a 50 crore donation to the Bharatiya Janata Party. He asserted having proof of an ongoing racket within the BJP. The ED had only one mission: to trap me, he alleged. 3 statements were given by one witness, but the court only saw those that accused me. Why? This is not right. In a brief but urgent statement, Mr. Kejriwal also accused the ED, which the opposition claims is used by the BJP to target rivals, particularly before elections, had been told to create a smoke screen to allow BJP to run an extortion racket through which they collect money. Responding to Kejriwal's claims, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, representing the ED, accused the Chief Minister of theatrics and maintained that they possessed evidence indicating his involvement in seeking kickbacks. In a separate development, the Delhi High Court declined Kejriwal's plea, challenging his arrest in the alleged liquor policy scam. Instead, it issued a notice to the ED, granting them time until April 2 to respond. The next hearing is scheduled for April 3.